Hey, this is Alfred Turner, your DMV real estate agent. Welcome to my new listing. It sits on 8.3 acres of land, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, 8 acres of land. Once again, this is Alfred Turner, your DMV real estate agent. I'm here at 13601 Southfield Road. Get your buyers together. Give me a call somewhere up on the screen. You should see my number, 301-332-2765. You can call, text, or you email me at alfred@metroareadevelopment.com. Alfred Turner, once again, the Metro Area Development of Exit Community Realty. Hey, get your buyers ready. 8.3 acres of land, 2 beds, 1 bathroom is waiting on you.